Hello, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about names of body parts. Number 1, hairs. H-A-I-R-S, hairs. Hairs. Number 2, head. H-E-A-D, head. Head. Number 3, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes. Number 4, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Nose. Number 5, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Lips. Number 6, ear. E-A-R, ear. Ear. Let's review. Body parts names. Number 1, hairs. Number 2, head. Number 3, eyes. Number 4, nose. Number 5, lips. Number 6, ear. Body parts names: hairs, head, eyes, nose, lips, ear. If you like our channel, hit the bell icon, subscribe our channel, and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.